Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your earphones actually include a microphone and using the correct connector, USB versus 3.5 matters because drivers differ. Once plugged in, open your PC sound settings and choose the earphone mic as the default input so apps capture it. Make sure drivers are installed and Windows or Mac OS shows signal meters moving when you speak. This first step gets the OS talking to the hardware. Without it, later tweaks won't record clean audio. Next, you adjust gain and software. In device properties, set the sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and lower input gain to roughly 50-75% so you won't clip on loud words. Then open your recording app, Audacity or a DAW, select the earphone mic, and enable monitoring so you hear latency and level. Reduce buffer size if latency is high, but not so low it causes dropouts. Record a short test take, and check waveform peaks and background noise to confirm settings. Finish by recording full takes, then edit. Trim silences, normalize levels, and apply light noise reduction only if needed. Overprocessing can sound artificial. Export a WAV for highest quality or an MP3 for sharing, and always save a backup copy. If you encounter no audio, recheck that the earphone mic is still selected as default input, reinstall or update drivers, and test with another device or adapter. Faulty cables or wrong jack wiring are common culprits that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.